In fact, on your television screens, the latest visuals. Remember, we are talking of the family of the Barasat rape victim. For over a month, they've been fighting a lonely battle for justice.
That's right, but now the distraught family has taken their plea to the president.
We have got no faith in CID investigation. The Honorable Chief Minister assured us that he will, when the accused will be in custody, he will give the charge sheet. But unfortunately, 1 month, 10 days already has been passed and one charge sheet has been submitted in front of the Honorable Barasat Court. But the magistrate scolded them that it is a charge sheet where the accused should not be punished. On the next day, the CID submitted one supplementary charge sheet. Only our demand in front of the Honorable President to make a CBI investigation, and the justice should be very fast in a fast-track court there, and we ask the Honorable President to give the security of the female members of our village. The Honorable President assured us he patiently hears the speech of ourselves from the headmaster, from the deceased father, from his both brothers. The Honorable President assured us that he will inform it to Prime Minister and the Honorable Minister of State Affairs. It is a constitutional problem, so he cannot declare the CBI, but he will try his best level to get justice of the family. He assured the justice will not be denied to us. This is the gist of the Honorable President's speech.
Well, the Barasat rape victim's family now seeking CBI intervention in the case. Poonam on the phone with us for more on this. Poonam, this is a case where the West Bengal Chief Minister had actually promised very speedy justice, but the distraught family having to go to the President with their plea.
Well, the family is very much disturbed with the kind of investigation that has been carried out by the CID in West Bengal, and that the main plea given to the President was one, that the investigation should be handed over to the CBI, and second, that the proper security should be given to the family and the villagers, because in this case they are feeling threat to their lives. So these are the two main pleas that were presented by the family members, villagers to the President, and on that front the family is being assured by the Honorable President that he will certainly look into the matter. But the fact here remains that since the case belongs to the state government of West Bengal, the to the CBI with all the consent of the state. So in that case, it is essential that the state government and the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, should be convinced about the matter so that she agrees to hand over the case to CBI. Certainly the family is not at all satisfied with the kind of investigation that is filed by the CID. Hence, they are also feeling that the justice is being delayed. Nonetheless, President has assured that justice will not be denied to them.